Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan. How to redirect visitor or user from a specific country to specific page using plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin, write redirect model based on country. Page 1, so click on next page. So we are in page 2nd, and then you see plugin redirect model based on country. So click on install now and then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. On left side you see setting and then you see redirect model based on country. So click on it. So we are in setting, so you can redirect specific visitor from specific country to specific page. Now we are going to add page in United States. So you see all countries and then you see United States, full redirect URL if visitor country is from United States. So add and then click on save changes, so you can add link according to requirement. Now setting updated and we added shop page link for United States visitor. So someone open our website, then redirect to shop page. Now copy website page. So this is our link. So we are in another browser and then you see United States IP. Now paste, press enter and now you see message, we will redirect you. Seem like you are coming from United States. If you want, you can stay on this page or go to United States, so it's up to you. So click on it. Now you see shop page open, so you can add any link in setting and then that user redirect to that specific page from specific country. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.